I'm Frank Minghella, professional photographer and photography teacher with the Perfect Photo Company, based here in Liverpool, England. Over the last 10 years, I've taught thousands of people how to get the best from their cameras. It's been an absolute joy to be part of their photographic journeys and to help them to become accomplished photographers. Understanding the camera controls that determine exposure is a fundamental part of that journey. Once you have this understanding, you can simply dial in the correct settings to capture the perfect photo in any situation. For me, photography is more than just the image. It's the emotion that it delivers and the emotion it passes on to others who see it. It's the story it tells and the place it takes your imagination. It's the excitement you feel in capturing a shot you know you couldn't get any better, and the passion you feel for it. It's the memories you create in the moment. Fantastic photo opportunities are all around us, and the whole world is waiting to be photographed. This photography course really will unleash your creativity. It's going to be a lot of fun, and you're going to learn all about exposure with beautifully animated explanations. I've really enjoyed putting the whole tutorial together, and I'm sure you're going to love it. One of my earliest memories was watching Hard Day's Night, the Beatles film, with my mum as she was ironing my dad's shirts. And I was struck by the Beatles, and I wanted to be Paul McCartney or John Lennon or George Harrison. Maybe not Ringo, but I wanted to be one of those three. And I was determined to be a rock star. And I remember my dad buying me first guitar and how I annoyed the neighbours and the family with it while I practiced away. And I trained to be a designer. Once I was qualified, I went off to work for the BBC in London, because I kind of figured if I get close to where the bright lights are and the cameras, I might just be a rock star. Now obviously that didn't happen. When I returned to Liverpool, I was part of the pilot project that went on to become the Liverpool Institute for Performing Arts, and over the years I was in many bands. But along the way I developed an interest and a passion for photography, and the guitars were kind of replaced with cameras and lights, so I've pretty much tried every style of photography. My favourite would be photographing people. I think once you know all about your camera and the controls and you understand exposure, you can pretty much photograph anything, and whatever style you fancy having a go of, you can, as long as you know how to use the camera, you're halfway there. I got into teaching photography completely by accident. A friend of mine called me and said she was feeling unwell and would I step in and take the photography class that she had planned that day. Now, I'd never taught a class before, but I absolutely loved it, and I decided to do a teacher training class, and eventually I set up my own photography business, the Perfect Photo Company, and I've taught thousands of people how to use their camera. It's been a 10-year journey it's just been amazing, honestly. I like to think I make learning how to use the camera a lot of fun, and I take away a lot of the jargon and simplify things, because once you know how to use the controls on your camera, you really can unleash your creativity. And I've got such wonderful comments that have been left on my Facebook page or on my Google business page. I've made so many great friends, but I've also helped a lot of people to become professional photographers and to have a career in photography. And that is a lovely feeling, to think that I've set them on the way. And I watch with great interest their creativity grow when they post photographs online and stuff. It's a lovely feeling. It seemed the logical thing to do for me after this 10-year journey, is to put what I know and my teaching style and the way I do it, to put it in a video format and put it online and have a wider audience. Liverpool's been great, and as I say, I sometimes feel like I've run out of students in Liverpool because I've taught that many people. But for me, to go to a bigger audience with my teaching style, I just really love putting this whole tutorial video together, and I think you're going to really enjoy it too.